Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Palantir stock and its unstoppable move. This thing, well, I'll talk about some interesting news as well, but that has nothing to do with the technicals. We'll solely focus on the technicals here. But I want to actually start off with some of the news that these moves that we are seeing on Palantir and all of that. Price action is really looking great. Now, what it is that Palantir is getting a S&P 500 inclusion, and investment bank reiterated a buy rating and raised the price target from $30 to $50. And we'll take a look at technicals in just a second, but just take a look at this thing. Palantir chairman Peter Thiel to sell up to 1 billion of stock. This guy just keeps selling his Palantir stock whenever it goes up. It's just funny. But anyways, Palantir stock has soared since it was announced late Friday that share of the data analytics. And this is, guys, it's not today's news, all right? The share of data analytics company would join S&P 500 index effective September 23rd. And one of its largest shareholder could cash in on that move by selling as much as $1 billion of the stock, right? So Palantir disclosed in a regulatory form in August that Ravindell 7 LLC, an investment vehicle owned by co-founder and chairman Peter Thiel, on May 15th28 a so-called Rule 10b5-1 plan allowing for the sale of as many as 28,590,737 shares by December 31st, 2025 or earlier. So it seems like it's not that he's just doing it right away, but he may, start selling off, right? So anyways, good stuff, but let's take a look at the price action now. I'll be, using a lot of my tools in this video for the price action as usual. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. Now, the first thing I want to show you is the structure. Now, if you are a member, this video may help you as a spoiler alert on a new update to this easy day and swing trading tool, and that is one new mode is coming to it. That is an active mode. And what this active mode would allow you to do is to set the structure sensitivity, either active or passive. Well, what active is that, if you are, it just helps you in, a better day trading. If you're a scalper, you need, you trade with bigger positions, you need tighter stop losses. And passive is more like, you're a little bit laid back, you trade with smaller positions, and, you build throughout the day your position. So, but yeah, there are two modes, and so that it reflects your style of trading, whichever style you are trading in, you can set this sensitivity. But anyways, so this update will be rolling out today to the members on this tool. So anyway, so you can see Palantir, first of all, the structure is full on bullish, guys. You can see this is where we again got back above full on bullish and just been continuing higher, right? There is, no question of any downtrend right now, right? So let's take a look at levels. Now, some of the levels right now are not showing up on the top because I haven't set that on my indicator, on my universal indicator, right? Because I need to take that price action to the previous price action. I mean, this timeline to the at least previous price action. And don't worry, don't get frightened by too many levels showing up. We can always set the, oh, sorry, not that one. I'll just keep, well, yeah, that also. Let's do medium on Palantir. And then I'm going to do, let's start off with medium. I might go low as well, but medium is fine. All right. So yes, full on in the bullish structure. And what are the levels to watch here, guys? Well, we are still in, well, technically the next level is $39.23, and then we have $45 almost, which is pretty much the high, right? Or pretty much the high there on Palantir, and it may very well do it, guys. It's very bullish. And now for the long-term horizon, and this shouldn't be a news, guys, like, I have been talking about whenever I have been doing Palantir videos, that overall structure. So let's go to the weekly interval. So overall structure on Palantir, guys, I even drew this trend line for you guys. That overall structure on Palantir is bullish, right? So we are still bullish, and there is one zone actually that I want to mark here, and this will be a very strong support moving forward, this thing. And this is, I'm going to keep it on the, let's see if I take it to the daily. Yeah, sure, I can keep it here as well. But this blue box is a very strong psychological, sentimental, whatever you want to call it, a strong, very strong support. This is where a complete new wave of support is sitting now, right over here. All right. So Palantir is looking good for long term, in my opinion. Again, nothing is guaranteed. That's why we have to have a stop loss. But as I showed you, the structure is full on bullish. And yeah, the next level is $39.24. Where will be the problem though? Well, at least from where it is, more weakness or more problem would start to come in if we lose $33.50 or the range below that, right? Like we have to even first start to lose 20 days moving average. But otherwise, right now, things are looking great. I'm going to get rid of some of these previous boxes, guys. We don't need those anymore. And yeah, let's take a look at hourly interval here. And here we have on intraday also good play. Still bullish, guys, holding the significant level today. Some, after going up, some sell-off is coming, but it's holding that significant level. That is $35.20, no problem. Intraday, as long as we stay above it, no problem. If we lose this, some cool off may come, but then we have 20 and 50 hours moving average still there. So the next level would be then if we start to lose 35.20, then only some cool off would come, and that will be like $34.53 and so forth, right? Otherwise, no, right? So that's something to just keep an eye upon. And then yeah, otherwise long term we are looking really good on Palantir, and if we lose 34.53, then some more cool off can come to the next significant level of 33.49 area. But these are the levels to watch. Overall structure is looking really great and can remain bullish for, I think, good amount of time, in my opinion. So yeah, it's looking really good, really nice on Palantir right now. Let's actually take a look at the monthly interval as well. It's just interesting to see. And yeah, guys, this is going really good, really strong. And yeah, right now I'm not seeing any sign of slowness on this thing. So this thing can continue higher from here as well. So, and yeah, pretty much, yeah, it's a really good price action here. Even on monthly interval, very good price action. It's looking very strong, very good for the long term as well. So pullbacks are just a buy, in my opinion, as for the long, not just right now, right? Like it turned like S&P 500 news, and then the structure turning over here. As long as, again, it's important to don't get ahead of ourselves, and just remember that time to buy are in the pullbacks or the structural changes, right, in the overall bullish structure. And then for intraday also, I provided you the levels. The problem will be if we lose all this blue box down here. That's a bigger problem, yeah. Otherwise, we still have levels of supports, really good levels of support so far. All right. Anyways, accordingly, size in, size out, trade with the levels, trade with the structure, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.